Hi, I'm Greta Wilson. The success or failure of any business primarily depends upon the decisions the business owner makes regarding its operations. Since we live in a nation that's governed by laws, we could face legal consequences if we do not obey them. Therefore, it is in your best interest, if you are a business owner, to consult and work with an experienced business law attorney like myself as a team, so that sound business decisions can be made about your operations, to place you in a position to maximize your profits, to be successful. To do otherwise would greatly increase your risk of failure. So if you are a business owner or someone who's interested in pursuing a business opportunity, I offer the following information regarding Louisiana law that you may find useful to your business enterprise and/or business opportunity. This segment addresses legally enforceable and binding contracts.